Hello teacher, good morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Ruslan. I am from group 2, which consists of Ajeng, Arya, Mutia, and Rizka. I am here as the host or MC. First of all, let you say thanksgiving to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has always provided physical and spiritual health. May we all get protection from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. The purpose of writing this paper is to fulfill the tasks given by MRS Eva Alawiyah and as English teacher. And in the preparation of this report, the author faced many challenges and obstacles, but with the help of various parties, their challenge could be overcome. The author realized that there are still many shortcomings in the writing of this report. Next, we will go directly to presentation. As per the order is which our group will present them, including number 1, abstract, number 2, introduction of background, number 3, main body of report, number 4, conclusion and suggestion, number 5, reference. The abstract part will be ready by myself. Abstract. Pedestrians are one thing that is very common throughout the world. Pedestrians or people walking on pedestrian path either on the side of road. Sidewalk, special paths for pedestrian or pedestrian cross the road. The purpose of this research report is to find out how important safety is for pedestrians and to find out how big the response of pedestrians are. Okay, the next one who will present number 1, namely by Sister Ajeng Najira, is welcome to her.
Chapter 1, Introduction or Background. Pedestrian paths are one of the important elements in urban areas that support the mobility of population movement and are inseparable from road users, especially pedestrians. The pedestrian path is intended as a special space for pedestrians that serves as a means of achieving the goals to be achieved, which can protect pedestrians from the dangers that will come from motorized vehicles. Pedestrian accessibility is largely determined by the condition of the pedestrian path. Pedestrian paths must meet physical criteria in terms of facilities and infrastructure for pedestrians. The physical condition of the pedestrian path also greatly determines the quality of the pedestrian path itself. Pedestrian is a term in transportation used to describe people who walk on pedestrian paths either on the side of the road, sidewalk, special path for pedestrians, or crossing the road. To protect pedestrians in traffic, pedestrians must walk on the road and cross at the crossings provided for pedestrians. Pedestrian is any person who walks in the traffic space of the road because activity is moving. Pedestrians are considered part of the traffic movement. To ensure the safety of pedestrians, the right and obligation of in traffic are regulated and they are entitled to the availability of supporting facilities.
Thank you, Sister Ajeng, for presenting it. Okay, the next one who will present number 2, namely Sister Rizka, is welcome to her.
Chapter 2, Pedestrian Safety in Sukabumi. Pedestrian safety in Sukabumi is one of the most important things. With a very large population, pedestrian safety must certainly be realized for the people of Sukabumi. This is certainly a new basis for the community to know about pedestrian safety and the rules that must be followed, held by the Sukabumi government. As a society, of course, a pedestrian facility is very much needed by pedestrians. This can overcome the accident prone that exists in Indonesia and in Sukabumi. Pedestrians also have to know the rules that apply. Pedestrians are also not arbitrarily walking arbitrarily with the facility. Of course, there are also regulations. Pedestrians are people who walk in road traffic space. Law number 22 of 2010 concerning road traffic and transportation. Because the activity is moving, pedestrians are considered part of the traffic movement. To ensure the safety of pedestrians, their rights and obligations in traffic are regulated, and they are entitled to the availability of sporting facilities. The results of the interview conducted by our group are as follows. 1. In your opinion, what are the things that hinder you when you walk? Pedestrians are good. That pedestrians have the right to the availability of sporting facilities, such as sidewalk, crossing, and other facilities. Pedestrians have the right to have priority when crossing the road at the crossing. If there is no crossing place, pedestrians have the right to cross at the place of their choice by paying attention to their safety.
Thank you, Sister Rizka, for presenting it. Okay, the next one who will present number 3, namely by Sister Mutia Nuranisa, is welcome to her.
Number 2. If the road is not provided with pedestrian facilities, pavements, what will you do? Pedestrians are of the opinion the pedestrians have the right to cross the place chosen by paying attention to themselves. We as pedestrians must comply with the regulation for pedestrians as set by government. We also have the right to ask the part of the road designated for pedestrians or the most edge roads or cross. In the designated place, pedestrians must pay attention to safety and smoothness. In traffic, pedestrians with disabilities must have special signs that are clear and easily recognizable by other road users. Number 3. How important is job for pedestrians and what are the benefits of job for pedestrians? Pedestrian answered, the people's crossing bridge GPO is important for pedestrians and is also very important for the safety of all drivers and pedestrians. If pedestrians are aware of the can before them, they are desperate to cross a crowded road without going through the GPO. That will be very dangerous. So it's better to do and obey this GPO facility. Chapter 3. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. We can conclude that the people of Sukabumi are very satisfied with the sidewalk for pedestrians. Our group observed a place on Kadampit especially in the plains of Mount Pangrango. Number 1. On operation and interview on Kadampit pedestrian response was very positive because the question we asked were not too difficult and the road condition were quite good or people who wanted to do sport on Sunday mornings. Number 2. Observation on the plains of Mount Pangrango, Situgunung. We interviewed most of the traffic on the road to the mountain to visit the tourist attraction. It was very busy, but there were no traffic signals in the area. The road conditions were quite good but not suitable for pedestrians because there is only one way.
Thank you, Sister Mutia, for presenting it. Okay, the next number 4, which will be presented by Arya. He is welcome.
Suggestion. After making observation at the two observation locations, presume some the following item can serve as input for the competent authorities. Number 1. Create a means of pedestrian to cross the road in the form of zebra cross in that road section. Number 2. Review and update the possibility and lack of sick traffic in both locations. Reference Jajang Sujai 2021 Pedestrian Safety in Sukabumi. The result of Group 2 interview 29 August 2021 Yasti Vocational School. Purbalingga PPID 2014 Guidelines for Pedestrian Safety on the Road.
Thank you, Brother Arya, for presenting it. That the presentation explanation from our group, I can conclude the pedestrian is term in transportation used to describe people who walk on pedestrian path edge on the side of the road. Sidewalk, special path for pedestrian or other. Our group presentation has finished. Sorry if there is a wrong sentence that our group present, and sorry if there is nervous in this presentation video. So from our group or group 2, we say thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.